Yo, what is up, everybody? Happy Saturday. Even though it's Saturday, we're not taking days off. It's about, what time is it right now? It's 2 p.m. here in Istanbul, Turkey. And I think October is going to be a wild month. And the more that you put in time into trading and into the market, of course, it can result in better results and more profits. So you want to work as much as possible during these times. And I'm super pumped to be trading this market right now. And I showed you guys some of my trades over the last 30 days here, which is insane. Last year's record was $314,000 in 30 days. The record day was $123,000 in one day of trading. I haven't beaten that record yet, but I'm hoping to beat it very soon. Okay. And today I took a pretty reasonable trade already of $4,000 in 1 minute. And I also caught with my platinum tier group. The platinum tier group is where you want to be. So just to give you guys an example today, okay, I'll give you guys a really good update. Today I live stream right away, right? I'm like not waiting more than 2 minutes. I'm hunting for a position on Alchemist, right? I live streamed. The group caught a lot of trades, right? There's only about 100 people in the group, and there was 22 people that watched the stream today. We were basically looking at this channel the entire time, this channel over here, and we ended up catching it like that, right? We caught it just like that. And the way that Alchemist worked out was simple, the way that we caught this short today, okay? So first of all, this looked like it was making a 1-2 and a third wave was forming. Maybe a fourth will form, maybe it won't, we don't know. Or a fifth, we don't know, but we knew that we were trading the third. We knew with 100% certainty we were trading the third. And we also knew that it looked something like a channel. And the way that it works is, this is a really good tip, guys, so listen, okay? The way that it works is if you have a break, see the resistance break, sometimes it bounces. It bounces. And then if it breaks again, and we didn't just short it, guys, we longed it, right? We longed it at here as well. It broke the resistance, and then it bounced right there again, right? And then for the last one, it broke the resistance here, right? And then it bounced the first one, but the second one, it actually didn't bounce and it came down. So that was our sign to short the market because the previous resistance did not hold as a support. And that's when we shorted this with power, with size, and we did very well on it, okay? So if you want to join my platinum group, guys, every month I allow basically about 5 people to join it. And for October, you're welcome to join it. There's 5 slots left. The cost is substantial because, well, it's a premium service that you're getting. The cost is $2,500 to join for 6 months. But you get to live trade with me. You're going to get access to this indicator as well. Or not the indicator, but to the Kernel alert system. This Kernel alert system is wild. How many coins we're able to find. And that's my job. My job is to help you guys find the trades. And then we execute them together in the Platinum live stream. That's what we do. It's Saturday. I'm going to be working all day and every day for this bull market until my next mini vacation to see my parents in December. Okay, you don't want to waste any time. So right now, let's catch you up with how Bitcoin's trending. Bitcoin is looking extremely like out of resistance right now, okay? It's also making this higher low type of pattern, okay? This higher low type of pattern might break down short term, but eventually I believe it's gonna break to the upside, okay? So eventually it's gonna smash this resistance, just a matter of time. I don't know if it's gonna be this time. I don't think it's gonna be like immediately right now, but I do believe it's gonna be eventual, okay? So just a matter of time that until we crack the all-time high. And if you look at Ethereum, it's actually bearish today. The lower high pattern is in play, and it looks like it's getting ready to maybe break this pattern for now, like how Bitcoin is reaching that pattern as well. But I'm hoping it goes up, of course, but we just never know how the market can trend, right? Never know. And other than that today, like I'm really excited about the total 3 market cap because we finally broke above 1.13 trillion 2 days ago. Okay, so that's a big number because 1.13 trillion, guys, That's the number where over here, okay? Over there, that's where you want to take your, sorry, that's where you want to break above it. This is 2021's high. And you can see we're just kind of hovering slightly above it right now, okay? So very exciting times right now. The total one market cap, the entire market cap of crypto, that's doing some major things right now. You can see it go to the upside, and it looks like it's going to hit the top of this because we see this expanding diagonal here. You guys see that? The expanding diagonal. It just looks like it's going to do one crazy beeline in the next month to like $5 trillion. Can you imagine if the market cap rose by like 20-25%? Ooh, it's going to be very exciting times. Bitcoin dominance is slowly going up, but I think we're going to get that type of Bitcoin dominance that we've seen before in the bear market, the bull markets, altcoin season, where it drops significantly. So it's a very exciting time right now. We're making a lot of profit in the Discord group. I'm making a lot of profit. If you guys have been seeing some of the trades that I took, like, you know, if you see some of the trades I took over the last 30 days, you'll see what I mean. Like, for example, this one was wild. Just a few days ago or a few weeks ago, I took 38,000 on MYX, 44,000 on MU, and 2 days ago I took 40,000 on AIA. So the profits are rolling in, man. Now's not the time to be learning much, guys. Now's the time to execute. I created a system that's going to help me identify by far more trades than anybody out there in the market. That I don't think anybody has anything as good from what I know. So this indicator is basically an EMA on steroids with signals, okay? You're going to see the green line trend over here. Like, just as an example on Jelly, right? Just you see on Jelly over here, it trended very nicely for a long period of time on the 4-hour chart before it exploded, right? You can see it trending like that. What this alert system of mine does is it's basically going to tell you, okay? It's going to tell you it's been trending like that. And then when it explodes, right, you can follow it, right? Or even AIA. So this coin, you can see for the 4 hours, on the 4-hour chart, it trends green above the kernel. So what this alerting system of mine does on Discord is if any coin trends for a period of time, for example here, right? It's telling you that the 4-hour kernel is trending over 4 days. So you're going to put in a little bit of work. You're going to go to the coin. You're going to take a look at it, and you're going to see it when it pings you. Oh, wow, this coin is moving so well above this green line. It might explode. You identify a resistance, right? And then as soon as it breaks out, you trade it. So that's the beauty of this. But it's designed for the 30-minute time frame, right? The 30-minute time frame needs to trend 30 minutes over 12 hours. The 4-hour time frame trends over 4 days. And the daily, it trends over 5 days. Look how bullish this market is right now. There's like 40 coins here that are trending above the daily time frame over 5 days. For example, it's telling me that Zcash is one of the top coins right now. Okay, so you go to this and you're gonna see it, right? So you see right here that's telling me that at this right here, it's still meeting all of the criterias. Every single criteria is being met right now. That's showing me that it's been trending like that for a very long time. So when you identify coins like this that are trending above the green line or where it is not red, you're going to be able to identify breakouts eventually. And that's the point of this indicator. Not only that, like, we're going to find trades because of the kernel alerting system where it's set for the 30-minute and the 4-hour. I have a bot that automatically trades for me. Yesterday, it made me 9%. And anybody that buys this will have access to the indicator where you can set up your own webhook. It's designed to be profitable, and especially in a bull market, it's going to perform exceptionally well. The way that it works is it has many factors that needs to fire off a buy signal. So just as an example, okay, we look at any of these coins over here. I'll show you guys one of the best longs, okay, that this bot did on September the 28th. It said open long for Zcash. See that? Open long for Zcash. So you go here, and what this bot does is it tells you when to buy. So for the green arrow to show up there needs to be a lot of factors that fires off. There needs to be wave trend. two different lengths of RSI. So that's 3 indicators, CCI and ADX. And what it does is it looks for neighbors. So right here, it asks this question to itself. The other 5 indicators, what were they doing? Like, what are they at right now? And can I find anything in the past that's very similar to what it is now? It looks for something called the nearest neighbors, and it looks for 8 of them. If it finds 8 of them, it then votes. What happened at these times? Did it go up or did it go down? And if the majority of times it went upwards, then it might fire off the green arrow. But in order for it to fire off this green arrow as well, so many other factors need to be met, such as overextension, entry safety guards. So it can't be trending parabolically above the kernel. The candle itself can't be gigantic, right? And also there can't be a large wick that went up and then came back down. So those are some of the entries. If any of those happen, it cools down the bot so it doesn't actually take the trade. This is to prevent FOMO and greed. So I programmed that in. And the way that it takes profit is 2 different ways. It's gonna ride the kernel, okay, until it goes 2% below the kernel and the kernel turns red. Or sorry, either the kernel turns red or it goes 2% below the green kernel, or if it blows off too much. For example, it just huge blow off candle. And you can see here on Zcash, it took this trade right here. Okay, my bot took this trade too. For example, here there's a full back testing window. Like you can back test 25 different trades here if you want to. But just to show you the one trade that it took right there with a $10,000 account, it made 124%. It entered there and it exited there. That's just one example of crazy coins that it called out before, right? So this bot is all included. There's a gigantic tutorial. And honestly, it's the time for you guys to be investing in yourself. Like, I'm not just saying this to try to sell you guys it, like it sells itself. But what you want to focus on is having the ability to find the trade, right? You don't want to be focusing on learning right now. You just want to focus on like, okay, what trade should I go after? Which are the hottest coins? Because it's going to be about time efficiency. You can't spend your time in the bull market like wondering what coin should I be trading. You just got to have a system. And I'm telling you, this alert system, it's wild, man. How many coins is going to be brought to your attention? There's a full tutorial section, frequently asked questions, examples, support chat. I got a whole team that works with me right now that's working on this. So right now, the market's bullish, guys. So I'm going to spend the rest of the day live trading with the Platinum Tier group. We caught Alchemist already. And I hope that we can find another trade together later today. That's going to be really beautiful. So guys, man, get excited. It's going to be an awesome market. I'll see you guys around. Bye now.